Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us today on our webcast. Hello, Jeff. How's your summer
Sonny,
going?
very well. I'm taking in all these Blue Jay games. You know, they're on you probably this is probably news to you, but they are on the longest winning streak at home, I believe, in the franchise history. It's 10 or
Nice.
11 games. So I'm hoping they can keep it going. You didn't know that, did you?
Yeah. No, exciting stuff, though. Good for them.
Well, now you know.
I like to go to the odd game for pretzel and maybe a beer, and that's it. I'm good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I can't
So
blame you.
today we're going to
But
talk a little bit of a buying opportunity that came up on the heels of the Silicon Valley collapse in 2023. We ended up picking up, saw an opportunity and buying Charles Schwab for our clients. So let's get into
yeah,
that.
yeah, financial crises are scary because the whole system depends on confidence and trust. And if that's eroded, the selling can be very drastic in a short period of time. And that's what happened in March of 2023. Silicon Valley Bank had too many fixed income securities on their balance sheet. As interest rates went up,
Mhm.
the value of those securities went down, and so they were not properly
Yeah.
capitalized. So there was a panic amongst investors, a run on the bank. So Silicon Valley Bank is gone. And then not
Hmm.
long after that, and I mean, just a few days later, the regulator shut down Signature Bank. So the whole sector was down significantly in March 2023. I believe the financial index was down about 10%,
Hmm.
but they say never let a good crisis go to waste. So we wanted to buy something. We didn't want to catch a falling knife. Because prices were down so much, I figured just take the least amount of risk as possible because whatever you're buying is down double digits just in a few weeks. We landed on Charles Schwab because it got lumped into the regional banks, but it's while it has a banking division, it's a brokerage and they make money on asset management and fees on people who margin and
Trading,
pay interest.
banking, they have all kinds of
Yeah.
sectors. Yeah.
Yes, we paid for our clients where it was suitable, just under $55 a share. And now,
Hmm.
2 years later, it's $96 a share. So, including the dividends, the clients are up about 80% on that buy. So, I'm really happy.
Yeah. Yeah. I think
But
everyone is.
yeah,
Yeah.
so we weren't up right away on it, but I think we were underwater I think it dropped to around 50 or maybe the very high 40s before
Mhm.
its huge run. But that's how contrarian investing works. You buy something that's really out of favor, but it's a temporary situation. And in this case,
Yeah.
this was an easier one than others.
Yeah. And they have a lot of things coming up that are that have been completed. Like there was the acquisition of Ameritrade
Yep.
just finalized, right?
Yeah, they bought that several years ago. They paid, I think it was around $26 billion for that company. And at the
Hmm.
time, Schwab's market capitalization was 60 to 65 billion. So that was a huge acquisition.
Yeah.
But they've now finished it. They've integrated it.
Right.
The clients are on the Schwab platform. That's going to a huge growth driver for them in the next few years.
Yeah. And they've got a few other things coming up as well. They're working on crypto, I guess, cryptocurrency trading platform, 24-hour trading, 24-hour trading. What do you
Yeah,
think of
I
that?
don't, I don't like that idea. I need a break. And
Right.
24 hours. Oh my gosh. I don't know if that's a good idea for just the integrity of capital markets. I mean, how deep is the volume at 2:30 in the morning when China announces something and then you'd see a move on the US stock prices. I mean, yeah, I don't know about that, but that certainly seems to be the way the world is moving towards 24-hour trading.
Yeah. Should be
So,
interesting. And
yeah,
they paused on their repurchase program as well, and then just reinitialized it now, recently. So that's
Yeah, when
positive.
earnings came out last week, and that didn't get a lot of commentary. Companies can return money to shareholders through dividends or through stock buybacks. They paused the buyback in 2023, and as you say, last quarter they've resumed it. So that's management's way of saying their stock is undervalued, and we agree.
Mm-mm. And they've got quite a few going on, few things, and revenue projections for the next 3 years are double digits. So that's good
Mhm.
news.
Yes,
Hmm.
and same with earnings too. And so if they can
Right.
achieve that, the stock price should follow. I mean, double-digit earnings growth for the next 3 years is that's very impressive. So
Hmm.
I think with those innovations we mentioned, including the Ameritrade integration, those very bullish forecasts are quite achievable.
Right.
So
Yes.
I think for clients we hold the stock, and for new ones, I think we'll add it because looks like the wind is in their sails. I would have preferred to buy it
Yeah.
at 55, but
Yeah.
you got to look forward, right?
Right.
But
All
anyways, I'm
right.
very happy with this investment, and I hope the clients are too. I don't think we've ever been asked about this one, so
Yeah.
I'm pointing it out.
All
So,
right. Thanks very much.
all right, thanks,
We'll
honey.
talk to you soon.